Want to share tons of files in Google Drive in single click? We will do this in 2 steps. Step 1. Enable Google Drive API from console.cloud.google.com. Step 2. Use this API with our Python code. Create a new project by clicking on Create or select a project. Go to the API services and select Library from the left panel menu. Scroll down and select Google Drive API. Enable it by clicking on the Enable button. On the API Services Details page, click on Create Credentials button. API type should be Google Drive API, and for data type, select User Data. Put Python in the app name and your Gmail ID in the user support email ID. Click Save and continue. Select Desktop App as the application type. Download your credentials by clicking on the Download button. Go to the Authentication Consent screen from the left panel menu. Add a test user by using the same Gmail ID. Keep the downloaded file to somewhere for now, to use it later on with the Python code. In the next step, create some dummy folders with some dummy files into your Google Drive. Let's assume files in these dummy folders are the ones you want to enable sharing feature. Put the client secret.json file in the same directory of your main Python file. Open the Python code in the editor, and update the client secret path where your dummy folders are located. Also update the folder names list with your dummy folders. Link to the source code is given the video description. Run the code. It will open a local server to start the authentication. Complete the authentication by allowing access to your Gmail account. Once the execution is finished, for all the dummy text file sharing will be enabled and also a log file will be created, in the same directory of your main Python file. The log file will contain the unique ID of the shared files with the folder names the files are located. You can verify the ID if you want. To do so, get the file ID by browsing into your Drive folder from your browser. By using this ID, you can create a view link or direct download link of your files. Then you can give the link to the person you want to share the file with. This sharing option has been enabled by the Python code automatically. Please like, subscribe and share, if you have learnt something. Thanks.